All is well mga kanidel. In this video, I will show you how to build up smooth shading using different kinds of stroke and hand movement. Pay attention on your hand movement consistently with less pressure on your tattoo machine.